your freedom with every scar. With every wound came a brand new start.
Hi baby! Welcome sa mundo namin ng mama mo. Sana lumaki kang mapagmahal, lalo na sa mother mo, God-fearing, at sana lumaki kang masunurin at mabait. Yun lang, good health baby. I love you so much.
Hi baby Regina, thankful kami na dumating ka and we prayed for you. Tapos so God gave, binigay ka na sa amin. Ang wish namin sa'yo maging successful ka sa future, and then yung health mo ngayong baby ka pa is maging okay naman. We love you.
In the grave, it's been buried. In the grave, it's been buried. In the grave. Are you empty? Filled with pain? Overwhelmed?
Sarap sa pakiramdam nung nalaman ko na pregnant na siya. Sobrang blessing sa amin yun. And tuwan-tuwa ako nung unang naramdaman ko yung sipa niya sa loob ng siya ng mami niya. Yun ang isa sa pinakamasaya na nangyari sa buhay ko.
Confession before the crown, fully committed, alive, lay down. You can leave it all in the one. You can let it.
Thankful kami na dumating ka na sa amin. We prayed for you. Nung pinagbubuntis kita, wala naman ako naging problem, and supportive yung both sides ng parents mo hanggang sa panganganak. So, ang wish namin sana maging successful ka din sa future mo and good health.
It's been buried in the
Today, this joy has brought you to the church to give thanks to God for the gift of your children and to celebrate a new birth in the waters of baptism. This community rejoices with you, for today the number of those baptized in Christ will be increased. If your faith makes you ready to accept this responsibility, then mindful of your own baptism, renounce sin and profess faith in Christ Jesus, the faith of the church in which children are baptized. My dear parents and godparents, do you renounce Satan and all his works and all his empty show? Do you renounce sin so as to live in the freedom of the children of God?